Hello friends, welcome to the Best of It YouTube channel. In this video, I want to teach you how to make your own childhood avatar and make it talk. So, stay with me until the end of this video. Alright, friends, we need two things to make such videos. The first thing is that we can prepare our audio file. The second is that we create those childhood photos of ours using artificial intelligence. I've already prepared my audio file here, meaning I have an audio file here. Now, I want to give such a photo, which is one of my own photos that was created by artificial intelligence, to ChatGPT and create such a photo. I'll go to the chatgpt.com website and write this prompt for it. I say to make the photo I gave it at around 3 years old in a podcast. Studio style with a microphone and headphones, and the photo should be a bit close up and its size should be 16:9, and I also gave it this photo, and ChatGPT generates such a photo for me after a few minutes and gives it to me. Now, I want this photo of mine to talk, to speak using that audio file we prepared. Now, to make this photo talk using the audio file, what should we do? We go to the hedra.com website. As it's written above, in this section we click on the video and enter such an environment. At the bottom we have one audio script, which is our audio file, and one start frame, which is actually the photo that artificial intelligence created in a childish style, and we need to place it here. Alright, now what do we do? We click on the audio script, upload audio, and select our audio from here. Then we click on the video. After that, we click on start from this section. We click on upload image and look for our childhood photo. For example, I choose this photo. This photo of ours is selected. Now we give it this prompt. Make it talk and gesture. Here's on the podcast. I gave the audio, I gave our photo, and I said considering that it wants to talk and is in a studio setting and it's a podcast. Generate the video for me and deliver it to me. For this, we click on this red color, generate, on this red color, and wait for it to give us our video. So, two things are important for us. One, the audio script, and the other is actually the childish photo that was generated by artificial intelligence. We wait until this Hedra site generates this photo and audio together and delivers it to us. Here, for example, it has all kinds of characters. It has VEO and killing, which you can use, but they are premium and you have to pay. Here are the sizes: 16:9 and 9:16 and 1:1. There are even resolution of 540 and 720 here that you can use. And we wait until this video is generated and it gives us the video. So, up to this point, we've gone through 3 stages. 1. Audio. 2. Our childhood photo generated by artificial intelligence like chatgpt.com. 3. The Hedra site. If you go through these 3 stages, it will give you such an output. See, it was that easy to make such video. For downloading this video, you can click on this option next to the remix in video and download the video and use it. Thank you so much for staying with me until the end of this video, and goodbye.